this video, we will explore how to use macros in Excel 365 in a simple and easy to understand way. You will learn the basic components of a macro and how each part functions so you can perform the correct steps efficiently. Macros are used to record actions in Excel, allowing you to repeat them automatically later. The main area for working with macros is found under the View tab. Within this section, you will find the tools needed to manage and use macros. The View Macros option lets you access and replay previously recorded macros that were set up before. Record macro is used when you want to capture a series of actions, so Excel can reproduce them later exactly as recorded. Macro name is the field where you can choose a custom name for your macro. This name helps you identify and organize the actions you've saved. It's important to name them clearly for future use. There is also an option for assigning a shortcut key. You can insert a specific letter to create a keyboard shortcut. This allows you to run the macro by pressing a key combination without having to go back to the View tab manually. The description field allows you to provide a brief explanation of what the macro does. Adding a description helps you or others understand the purpose of the macro at a glance. Once everything is set up, clicking OK will start the recording. After performing the actions you want Excel to remember, you can press Stop Recording. This tells Excel to finish recording and save your steps exactly as they were carried out. Please be aware that macros can contain potentially harmful content. That's why Excel often blocks macro recording or playback by default as a security measure. Be cautious when enabling macros, especially if they come from unknown sources. This guide has introduced the essential steps for using macros in Excel 365. By following them, you can automate repetitive tasks and improve your efficiency with ease.